Hi, my name's Nasra and I'm an apprentice within Deloitte's BrightStart scheme. This is a level 6 apprenticeship where you can get either a professional or degree level qualification. I decided to pursue an apprenticeship because I wanted a more hands-on approach to learning. I wanted to gain knowledge not only through the traditional academic route, but also through real-world experiences. I actually did attend university for a year and I studied politics, and it was really interesting, but I just didn't feel challenged. And that's when I started to research on alternative career paths. I got into contact with someone on Deloitte's BrightStart scheme and they encouraged me to apply. This scheme provided professional or degree level qualifications, and it just offered me this unique opportunity to combine my academic interest in business and economics with the practical work experience in a professional environment. I'd say that the most enjoyable aspect of my apprenticeship so far definitely has to be the fact that I'm able to incorporate my own interests into my everyday work. For example, something that is really close to my heart and I'm passionate about is social mobility. I've mentioned this at the firm and I've been supported at all levels, honestly. I've been given the opportunity to manage a project that surrounds social mobility after only being at the firm for around 10 months or so. It's been great, honestly. We've been able to create a partnership with a school that actively promotes social mobility, situated in the 2% most deprived areas within the country. And through this, we create a mentoring scheme where we hope to empower students to give them the confidence, the knowledge and the skill to navigate and direct their own career path. This is such a great opportunity to be a part of, and it has the ability to have such an amazing impact, and I'm so grateful to be able to drive this along with some of my amazing colleagues. If you're considering an apprenticeship, I say go for it. I think it's such an amazing way to kickstart your career and become such a unique professional candidate with the opportunity to have such exciting and amazing experiences.